my loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Farlie Solomons and today's look is this. Today we're going to try out the blush technique that has blown the internet, and I think everyone has tried this out, so why not? For today's eye look, I have used the palette Too Faced Life is a Festival, and it's going to be a very simple eye look. So let's begin. The first shade from this palette is Desert Vibes, and this goes over the crease line, just back and forth. Blend it well. The next shade from this palette is Fun in the Sun, and this goes on the entire eyelid, leaving the crease line. I have used a flat brush for this. It's not wet, it's just a normal brush, a dry brush that I've used to place this shade on the eyelid. And as you can see, I'm going from the inner corner towards the outer corner and up to the crease line. Adding a little bit more of this shade, basically a second layer of this shade, just to make it more dark. I have no doubts the shades in this palette are super pigmented, but I just wanted to be a little bit more on the eyes. And then the next shade is Sunset Dream, and this goes on the crease line too. And as you can see, I have used a small blending brush, and I am just going back and forth with this shade. So basically you're not just pulling it out, you're doing nothing, you're just going back and forth on the crease line. And this is how it should look like. Kind of like it. I'm so excited. I was so excited to try this blush technique more than doing the eye makeup. For the eyeliner, I have used Fenty Beauty eyeliner, and this comes in 3 shades, and these are in various sets. So the set that I picked up had 3 shades, and that had blue, pink and green. So I used the blue today because I didn't know where to use it, and I feel that the blue really went well with the whole look. You could use a black eyeliner too if you want to, but I just wanted to use blue today. I'm just going to thicken the line a little bit. It's just a small wing that I've created. It's nothing much. It's just going to... I know it's a little bit boring because I'm just showing you how to thicken the eyeliner, but yes, I mean, I have to show it. So I'm going to do that. Yes. I'm going to thicken it some more and just make the line a little bit more even. You know, I want that clean line on my eyes. And also I want it to be a little bit more darker. When you see this shade on the screen, it's not really blue. It's babish blue. But in real, it's quite blue. In real life, I mean, when you see the shade, it's quite blue. So yes, I mean, it's more like a darker blue shade. And what more, it goes really well with the whole look. I mean, I think that was one good decision I made instead of going with a black liner. Anyways, that's not our main subject today. Our main subject is trying the technique that went viral. I'm going to go off camera and do the other eye. For the mascara, I have used NARS Climax, and as you can see, I am basically pushing the lashes down and then I'm just pushing the lashes down and then lifting it up. That's how I do my lashes. In that, I feel when you do this, the lashes really get covered with the mascara and it's evenly spread. So this is one technique that I always follow. Now for the face, for the blush that has to go on the face, you need to use a lipstick, any liquid lipstick or anything. So I have used NYX matte lipstick, and this is in shade Eden. And as you can see, I have picked up a brush and I'm basically applying this lip shade with a brush. So this goes on the entire, it goes on my cheeks, you know, literally on my cheeks, and also a little bit on the nose. So it's like you're creating a bridge on the nose. It's like you're joining your cheeks and also the nose with that tiny little bridge. But yeah, this is how it is. I mean, I don't know. By now, I really didn't know the end results. I just did it because I was curious to do this technique, and I felt that since everyone was trying this, so why not? I think I should try it too. So yep, that's all you need. For the concealer, I have used a Dior Forever Skin Correct in the shade 2N, and this goes under the eyes. It's just I felt by now I felt that I just messed up this whole thing. I was not sure how this is going to be, but I just did it. I was just doing it because I knew the technique, but I was not quite sure how foolproof this technique is. But anyways, this goes on the nose and also on the right in the middle of the forehead, and also on the sides of my lips. It's basically where you want to highlight, the most points of the face that is highlighted. It's those points that you put the concealer. A little bit more on the forehead and the tip of my nose. Oh gosh, I know by now it looks hideous. I know that. I know that feeling, because when I was looking at myself, I was like, oh my gosh, I really don't know what I'm doing. Perhaps I might just remove it off, but no, I kept doing it. And to contour, I have used a cream contouring stick, and this is Hourglass. It's a cream contour, and this is Hourglass in the shade Golden Almond. So basically for this look you need to use a cream contour, and this goes under the blush and also on the jawline, a little bit on the temples of the forehead. And I have used a small brush basically to place the contour, because I'm not too fond of cream contours. I feel that's just too heavy for my face. Unless I really want to do a dramatic look, I might use it, but not like for everyday look. I would keep this stick away. And then using a beauty blender, I was scared. Literally, I was scared to place the beauty blender on my face, because I really didn't want that red lip shade to go all over my face. So what you can do is, one part of the beauty blender you can use to just diffuse and blend the red the lip shade, and the other part you can use to diffuse the other shades on the face, like the contour and the concealer. So in this way, the red doesn't go on the other parts of the face, and all the efforts that you have taken to make and create this look doesn't go waste. So this is one tip I would say you should do. And then for the foundation, I've used Dior Forever Skin Glow in the shade 2W, and as you can see, I have used few pumps of this foundation, just placing it on my entire face and then blending all together really well. Now you really need to blend a lot. You literally have to blend a lot, because if you don't blend, then I think you might just see a lot of that redness on all over the face. And by now, trust me, I felt that I looked like an orange. I didn't feel any flushed cheeks by now. But now, after a few more pumps of the foundation, I see some light, because I think I achieved that flushed cheeks on my face. And then I used Too Faced translucent powder under the eyes, just to avoid some creasing. Placing a little bit more of the powder and just setting it well under the eyes. For the bronzer, I have used Hourglass, and it's in shade Bronze Light. And this goes exactly on the hollows of my cheeks, jawline, forehead, and also to shape my nose. Like I said, you really have to blend and diffuse and blend and diffuse, because you have to blend all the products really well. Only then you could see the results, I feel. And like I said, you need to blend and then also to shape the nose a little bit. This is how it should look like. Again, I'm going to blend some more because I wasn't happy. I saw a little bit, few streaks of the contour on my face, so I just blended it well with the bronzer. And this is how it should look like. For the lips, I have used Armani Matte, and it's in shade 503, and it's quite a pinkish nude shade. I like it. Ooh, and this is how it looks like. Flushed cheeks. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you liked this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Mwah! Bye bye.